Hi, this is Kimberly, and I would like to welcome you back to Bookkeeping Journey, where I share my journey towards becoming a full-time bookkeeper and also the knowledge that I have gained along the way. So, we are in Quickbooks sample company, and today I'm going to show you how to create a vendor in the different ways that you could create a vendor in Quickbooks Online. So when you signed in, you'll be in your dashboard and you just come over to expenses and you click on vendors. And like I would have said in a previous video when I was showing you how to navigate in QuickBooks Online, vendors are people that we purchase our goods and services from. So the people that we buy our stuff from. So to add a vendor, you can either do three ways that you can add a vendor. You can do it by adding a vendor one by one, a new vendor, or you can upload a CSV or Excel file to upload a whole list of vendors from your desktop or your Mac, wherever you have it. So I'm going to go into this one, and then I'll show you as well how to add a vendor, just in case you didn't see the customer video, how to add customers. I'll show you how to add a vendor when you're like in an invoice or in an estimate or any one of those forms, so you don't think that you have to come out to be able to add a vendor each time. Okay, so I'm just going to download this. So this is a sample file that if you don't know how to add your list to QuickBooks Online and you just want a sample, you come in here, you download this sample, you fill it out, and then you will come back and you will upload it. So I'm just going to upload it because I just downloaded it. I actually downloaded it twice. Anyhow, so when I double click on that, see it brings up this next button, so I click next. And then I'm just going to make sure that all these ticks, because all these were headings inside of the file, so I'll make sure that all these ticks are green, and that's correct. So then I click next, and then I'm just going to look through here to make sure there's no red bars. This one is not going to add, so I'm actually going to click that one off. So there's no red bars in here, everything is fine, and I click import. But before I click import, let me show you that has 10999, so let me click out of that, and so I can show you just in case you have a red bar, to show you what a red bar might come up. Hopefully it doesn't error. Oh, it didn't. Anyhow, if a red bar comes up in that screen, what you would do is you can either make sure that the information is correct, or just double click on the bar and it should change to green. Okay, so I have my vendors all imported. The next thing that I would like to do is add a vendor from the new vendors tab. So I go in here, and then I put in the company name. So today I am kind of making it up on the spot. So MKV, we're gonna call him NKV Trucking, and it's a LLC company. And then I don't know why I put it all in caps lock. So you don't have to put it in caps lock. And it's owned by I'll call him, we'll call him Sam again. Sam Truck. Well, his last name is not Truck. We're going to call him Sam Lane. Sam Lane. And the display name on the invoices will be the MKV Trucking. and then his email address. The thing is that you don't have to have all this information. If you just have the name of the company, and you don't even have to have this. So when you fill it out, you just have the name of the company. You could just come in here and click save. Whatever information you have, you put in here. So I'm just going to, so Sam at mkvtrucking.com, and his address is 101 Barbados Way. City is High Street. State is, put here in Delaware. The zip code is 106894, and country is USA. So we don't have a phone number for him. You don't ever put in an opening balance here. That will mess up your books. So I just click save, and he is added. So I want to search for him and pull up his information. So I put MKV, and you can see that he's there. MKV Trucking. Okay, and then right, so we're in his account now, and as you can see, he doesn't have an opening balance or overdue balance. And if you want to create any transactions for him, you can click on here. As you remember, I went up here to show you to go through how to navigate in the QuickBooks Online, the different forms. But if you are in his account, you can also create a, I don't know why that's still there. Anyhow, you can create it from in here, any one of these. The other way that you can create a vendor, I will show you. I will go up here and I will just choose Invoice, and once it comes up, perfect. So you want to create an invoice in here, and we are going to call this company K2K Inc. And you can add it here. And if I have additional details, I click details and I come in here and I fill it out. And well, that's for customer. Sorry. I went to the invoice for a customer. It's expense for vendors. Sorry. Like any one of these. So once you go in there, right, so you'll be the payee, the person that you are paying. So as I put in K2K Inc. Because I knew that form looks different. Make sure that vendor type, the type is vendor, and you click details. And you come in here and you fill in their information. I don't have anything else for this company, so I am just going to click save. And I fill in the information. So now that vendor, K2K, let's close out. Yes. So that vendor now is, I can actually go over here. Let me go back so I can use this arrow here as well to go and search for my vendor, K2K. See, he comes up, click on that. He is in here and we found him, although we created that, we didn't complete that invoice. We actually still have our vendor right here created. He doesn't owe us any money on his overdue balance. He doesn't have overdue balance. I'm just going to go over these quickly. So for opening balance, the balance that has open is the money that he owes you, the money that it will show in both places. If he goes over, so say he bought something from you and you on credit, and his date is past, so he was supposed to pay you in 15 days or 30 days, and the next month has come and he has not paid you yet, that amount will be here along with, and then any additional money would be added. So the additional money should be up here. So it will show up in both places once it is. If it's overdue, it will show up here, and if it is not overdue, it will only show up there. So overdue balances, so you can see how much money he owes you. That's it for me today, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave any comments in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and may you have a good day. Bye.